You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. We're back. Yeah. Here we go. We were trying to pull it out on the side, and it didn't want to come out. It is, as you can see, it's packed very well. Good Lord Almighty. But this is what they look like. Isn't that gorgeous? I don't know how much light is in here, but that's what they look like. That's the smallest one. And what, I don't know what ounce this is. Diva 2 would have to tell you what ounce it is.
It's on the front. Okay, so that size right here is 3 cups.
Okay. Perfect. Oh no, that's kind of big for a cereal bowl. Wow. Okay, but anyway.
We'll pull out the bowls first, then we'll show you the top, because the top's right under the bowl.
Hey, did that one come up? Okay. Bowl number 2.
I'll take that one. Oh, okay. I'll put it in there. Okay. Yeah, we'll just pull out each one, then we'll tell what size they are.
Is that a top?
That's just a box.
Good
Outline.
Lord.
Here we go.
Cardboard galore.
Here's the other bowl. Put it under there. And we have the huge one right there, and it has lids in it. Right here.
This one?
Yeah, right here. There's lids right here.
Okay. But they're there. And then we took out a large one.
Huge.
This is for when you have company. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. We finished?
Yep, and there's the tops down there. Put in the box. Okay. Okay, I'm about to lift this box up, that way you can put it on the table. Alright. You got that?
Mm-hmm.
You can sit it down now. There you go.
Okay.
Now I can tell you what their sizes are for each bowl. Okay. So the first one, like I said, that's the 3 cup, and that one has a blue top, which is yeah. Okay.
You got it?
Right there, yeah. That's the top for that one. Next one is 6 cups. That one has a yellow top. And then...
Yellow?
Yep. That's right. Blue. Next one.
Oh, I did put blue on the bottom.
Yeah, that one is the yellow one. They're really bright, pretty colors.
Okay.
Next one, we have
advertisement.
10 cups. And that has a red top that goes right with it. Yep. There you go. And the last one is 4.5 quarts. And that one has a purple top. Yep.
Okay. Those are my salad bowls. Now I have those. I have the big one. That's going to be for company. For when I have company. And, I mean, you can use that for a potato salad. Any kind of, you know, salad that you want to have to serve to company. And if you've got some tongs, if not, they have them on Amazon or eBay or Ollie's or Walmart, or I don't know if your Kmart is still open, but ours is. It's almost closed, but it's still there. Anywhere, get a pair of tongs, maybe clear colored tongs, or whatever color your decor is, and use it with the big bowl. The other bowls, we can use those for like Diva, Tua, and I want just a salad for lunch. We can fix it the day before, and you know, have it for the next day, because they have tops. That's what I like. And then you got the personal size, whatever. And I have one bowl that 3-cup. I like guacamole. That's perfect for making guacamole in, just for me and Diva, or just for, you know, if I want to make a dip in there, and you know, just put no double dipping. But anyway, yeah, you can do all kind of things with these bowls. But I love them. The feel of them is wonderful. Like I said, my sight is not what it should be. So feeling to me is wonderful. I can tell what they feel like. I feel it's a stripe design, and I like it, you know. And I know that they're clear, and I know that they're Pyrex. That's enough for me. So this is Diva 2. I'm coming to you with the unboxing of my salad bowls. These are some things that I need. We've got a nice little house here, just 8 years old. We've been here now for 4 years. It's time to, you know, start doing things that I want to do. I've gone through some sicknesses. Well, that sickness that I had, you all know about it. It's on my video, if not. But I gotta live, y'all. I gotta live, and I like nice things. So this is a nice thing, and I'll put it this way: this is Diva 1's favorite thing right now. I like it. I will put a link in Amazon where you can get these from. I wish that I was selling these on Amazon, because I think they are going to sell a lot. And they, for those of y'all that don't want the design, they have the clear too, just the clear white. You know, the clear, not white, but clear, you know. But they're very good, and they're nice, and oh yes, they're nice and heavy. So just got to be careful. You don't want to break something that pretty. But these tops, let me check something. Hold up. Now I'll check the little one rather than going, well, you know what I'm going to do. Since all of them are down, and which one is the bigger one? Let's see here. Yeah, I'm sending my big brown today. And I heard my mailman come, and Diva 2 went out to get the, you ever fit over? Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that fits over even with the, yeah, and that, I like that look. That means you can, woohoo, thank you. That means you can burp this sucker when you put the salad in, and close it right back up, and all the air is going to come out. You get the excess air out there, because air will destroy a salad. But this is Diva 1 and
Diva 2
saying, I'm a salad person. I love salad. I was a vegan before I came here, but then I came here, and, you know, Poppy and I are here with our daughter, and Poppy is a meat man, so that's a whole nother story. So my diet had to change. But I'm getting back to it. I'm getting back to it. Like, you have to be slow in order to not offend, because the Bible says we shouldn't offend. Now you can find that in Romans, what is it, Romans 15, or was it 14?
I think it was 14.
Romans 14, go and read that. We had that yesterday for a Bible study. Well, actually, well, yeah, it was a Bible study yesterday. And because it was snowing and everything, and Poppy just had a Bible study right here. And he broke it down, and I understand, but I still like my salad, y'all. I like my kale, and I like my collard greens, and all of the broccoli and all of that. Anyway, long story short, you'll be seeing some of my videos. My gardening is coming up in the spring. I'm going to start planting actually later on this month, but I'm going to do winter sowing, and I'll tell you what that is, you know, when we start doing it. But stay tuned for my videos on gardening, and I promise they're going to be better than they was last year. Last year, that garden was a disaster. Excuse me. I did grow stuff, tomatoes, everything, but hey, I'll explain to you exactly what else happened. Had nice string beans. Hey, that's another story. But yeah, that was a disaster garden. But I did grow stuff. Stuff. Yeah. Anyway, this year I'm planning to grow red cabbage, purple carrots, and black kale. You ever heard of dinosaur kale? Yeah, I love it. So that's what I'm going to grow, and a few other things. So stay tuned for my gardening videos coming up, starting, I guess, the latter part of this month, which is February. And I'll let you know, how I'm doing, how things are going. And if you want to plant, I'll tell you right now, go to Lowe's and get you some 5-gallon buckets, because that's what I do, container garden. I have a large lot, but right now, no, I'm not going out there on that lot. That's a whole nother story for a whole nother time. But I love you all, and I hope that you all know Christ as I do. Continue to pray for me. Don't feel sorry for me, because I'm telling you, I'm a blessed woman. I am a blessed woman of God. But continue to pray for me. Different things are happening with my health. Good thing, not bad thing. I've got to go 13th for an MRI, and I already know everything is just fine, because I see the evidence. I see the evidence, and I'm going to let that alone. But just continue to pray for me and my family, for Poppy, for Stephanie, for my daughters, you know, and their spouses, my sons and their spouses, and I'll pray for you all. Love you. If I've got any new subscribers, welcome. My old subscribers, I love you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And we try to give you value. Let me tell you about this. This set was $29. That's all it was. When I first saw it, it was like $36, and I said no. But did you know that you could go to Amazon, and there's a little button you can push, and when things go on sale, it will actually notify you? That's how we got this. So that's one thing, one little nugget there for you. Go on Amazon and look, and maybe Diva will do a video on it. Diva 2 will do a video on it, and you can push a button and it will contact you when things go on sale. Don't buy anything retail. Wait until they're on sale. We can wait, unless you have to have it right then and there. Then go on the internet and get a coupon, or go under Honey. There's an app you can get called Honey. That's in my videos too. And there is an app you can get called Ebates. And I think and the Amazon goes through there, and I believe Diva got this through eBay.
Yeah, I will probably come to you with each one of them. I'll explain it, tell you how to work it.
And what's the other one?
You got Top Cash, Ebates, Honey, and
Top Cash, Ebates, Honey, and she's got another. But all of those you get rebates from.
Yeah.
And get yourself a PayPal account, and they will deposit it directly into your PayPal account, and then from there you can deposit it either in your checking account, whether business or personal, or deposit it into your Google Wallet. A lot of people got Google Wallet. You can do whatever you want to do with it, or get you a Walmart card, one of those ones that's a Visa, and transfer it to there. So many things you can do. At the end of the year, that money adds up, y'all. So that's a little tip. This is Diva 1 and
Diva 2 back here.
Hiding behind the camera she is. But saying, I'm here to help. to give you little tips on how to save, because like I say, if I can help it, I don't buy anything retail. God gave us a brain, and there are companies out there that will give you rebates, and I'm going to use every one we find. But Diva will do a video on all of that. Diva 2 will do a video on all of that. So, we love you. And we're saying, get to know God. If you don't know Christ for the saving of your soul, or if you don't know whether you call him Christ, Messiah, Yahweh, oh my God, God, whatever you call him, get to know him. There's only one. Get to know him. Open up your Bible where you got, whether you have King James Amplified Message, New English Version, easy to read version, whatever. The same Christ is in all of them. Get to know him if you don't. I would not live my life without him. I'm going to start putting some testimonies on here. You're going to see some new stuff this year. And I want to put some testimonies on here about how he's blessing. Because he's truly good, you don't have to live out here having nothing. You don't have to live out here wanting to commit suicide and all of that kind of stuff, because there is hope, and that hope is in Christ. Or if you call him Yahweh, that's fine. Same person. If you call him Messiah, as the Jews do Messiah, same person. We call him Jesus. That's my Savior. That's the one that died on the cross for me. Same person. He died on the cross. Depending on your language, your nationality has a different name, but it's the same person. I love you all. Seek Christ, because you won't be sorry. I promise you that. I guarantee you that. Seek Christ, and your life will be so much better. Love you all. Bye-bye.